Very good. Yeah. Yes. Very pretty. This is the metro. Yes, I want to show you about the place that we make the nice. And also, I really apologize that my English is not very well, but I try to speak English. Yeah. This is the place that we always make the nice, and also we have like the customer is come to visit that place as well. Yep, this is the nice. It's made for sales. It's the very good. Yeah, very good. And you made a good hand. Yes. Very good. And also we have many kind of the knives. Yes, like this. Yeah. Yes. Yes. This the knife is for sale, but I don't know how much that he sell. That's nice. And this other nice. Yep. Is wow, so cool, bro. Yeah, this is the good as well. Wow. Too heavy, yeah. Yes. This is for sale. This one and other ones. Wow, so cool. Yes. Very pretty. Wow. Is the good. Yes. Yes. That, the small edge. Many things here. Yep. Wow. Oh, it's so cool. Wow, this one will look very nice. Yes, very nice. Wow. Oh. Oh, thank you. What else? Wow. Cool. This is the materials that he's made. Cotton, the everything. Yeah. Very nice. The file for. Yeah. Ooh. We start from the. Yes, it's still hot a little bit. still hot. Yes. Yes, he cut from this. Wow. Ooh. This is it. Let me try take one. Wow. Yes, looks like so strong. Yes. Ooh, this one. And so we make this for the knives and have other ones as well. Yes. I think this is one for the hand like that. Yes. Like that. Yes. And big. Yeah. This one I think that we take from the this I think. Put like that, and yes, also yes. Yes, also this place. Oh wow, this have others. Yes. Oh, many. He makes a lot knife. Yes, is the material that he make, and this one other one. Yes, a lot, and many things here. This is the in the countryside that he make. Yes, and also he make a lot of knives. Yes, and also over there have like the table for the customer is coming to visit from the other country, like from the United States, from other country as well. Yeah, usually we come the outside. Yeah, this is the other place that we make, like make the process the knife that he makes it. Also is still the good here, and this is the material that we make it, and yeah, and thank you also. Yeah, I really love that place. Yes, so cool. Yep. I really thank you for watching my video, and I will reviews about something tonight later, and thank you. I really apologize for my speaking English, not really bad, but hopefully I try to my best to speak. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.